In this video, I'll show you how to short sell a stock on Webull. Start by signing into your Webull account using the mobile app or desktop platform. Next, make sure your account is approved for margin trading, since short selling requires a margin account. If your account is still a cash account, apply for margin trading before continuing. After that, search for the stock you want to short and open its details page. Now tap or click Trade to open the order entry screen. Next, select Sell as your order action. If the stock is eligible for short selling and shares are available to borrow, Webull will automatically recognize the transaction as a short sale when you do not already own the shares. After that, enter the number of shares you want to short and choose your order type, such as market or limit. Now carefully review the order details, including the estimated execution price and any applicable borrowing requirements. Next, submit the order and wait for it to be filled. After that, monitor your short position from your portfolio. As the stock price moves, your unrealized profit or loss will update automatically. Finally, when you're ready to close the position, open the trade screen again and place a buy order for the same number of shares to cover your short position. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to short sell a stock on Webull. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.